Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to get Trident Rod in Fisch. Alright, let's begin. First of all, the Trident Rod is actually considered one of the most expensive tools in the game, only because of the way you obtain it. So to get a Trident Rod in Fisch, you will need to fulfill several conditions. The first one is, you will have to complete the Desolate Deep Bestiary at 100%. Then, the second one is to collect 5 enchanted relics. Finally, the third one is to earn at least 150,000 tokens. Now, to complete the Desolate Deep Bestiary, you will have to dedicate quite a bit of time in addition to purchasing the reinforced rod to fish in the brine pools. After that, players will have to collect enchant relics. And for this, you should fish in the ocean or buy items from Merlin. And after you collect the required amount of money, you need to find a secret cave. Now, the secret cave is located near the Desolate Plateau. And to get into it, you need to go to the merchant there and then go to Long Narrow Rock. After that, jump into the water and swim to the wall of the cave. There, you will basically find a tunnel leading to an abandoned temple. And once you're at that abandoned temple, you have to put enchant relics on 5 pedestals to open the door and get the desired Trident Rod in Fisch. So that's basically how you can get Trident Rod in Fisch. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.